Good evening, guys. I'm going to make a video presentation about uh, fuel bunker consumption. His arrival in from loading port. The question is, what will be his departure drop at loading port? Because he has already arrived at load port and he has consumed bunkers of 467. So with this 467, what is his departure drop at load port? So let's just read the question, guys. Okay. MB Max Panama must arrive at discharge port with saltwater drop of 12.50, meaning his arrival drop at discharge port is 12.50 meters. Her consumption during the entire voyage from load port to discharge port is 467, meaning at the time of departure from load port to arrival at discharge port, the consumption of bunkers or fuel oil, diesel oil, lube oil, fresh water is 467 in total metric tons. The question is, what should be her saltwater draft at departure at load port? Meaning, ano yung draft niya? What is his draft upon leaving the load port? Or what is his departure draft upon leaving the load port? Okay? So, here's the solution. He has arrived at load port with a drop of 12.50. What is the displacement? Okay? Displacement is 73747. So, we'll try to double check this one, guys. Displacement is, go to the drop, 12.5. 12.5. Okay. Just put here 12.5. Okay, 12.5. Displacement is 73747. Okay. Displacement is, displacement is 73747. Okay. Then you add this consumption of 467, which is this one. You add because you're going back to the load port. So you add 747 to the displacement of 12.50, which is 73747. You add this one, that will be 74214. Okay. So what is the equivalent of this displacement? That will be 12.573 in salt water. So we'll double check, guys. 74214. 74214. 74214. Just 74214. 74214. 74214. This one. 74214. Push enter. And that will be 12.573. Okay. 12.573. And that will be 12.573. So this is your departure drop at load port. Okay. From here, you consume 467 metric tons and your arrival at the discharge port will be 12.50. And here's another solution, which is rice equals weight over TPC times 100. And what is your weight is 467, or your consumption. And what is the TPC of 12.5? We go to the program. Here 12.5. We go to the hydrostatic table, say 12.5, okay? 12.5, 12.5. The TPC of 12.5 is 6395, okay? 6395. The TPC of 12.5 should be 6395, or I got to 6399. Why 6399? I will explain you later. 6395, okay? But I made it 6399. Okay, I'll explain it later. I go to now. Alright, just finish this one first. So I got there 6399 times 100. Your rise should be 0.73. And 0.73 plus your arrival in discharge port. This will be your departure in loading port of 12.573. The same here, okay? Because with this figure of 6399, what I do is 6467 divided by 6399 divide 100, then you get this figure of 0.073 meters. You add this to your arrival drop at load discharge port, and your departure at load port will be 12.57. So I'll prove this by the program. Okay. So here, this is your departure drop at load port. Okay. Put here 12.573. Forward and up is 12.573. And your mid port is 12.573. And your mid starboard is 12.573. And your mid drop will be 12.57. Okay. Now, take note, the TPC of 12.573 is 6395. 6395. I got here 6395. See, I just put it here. And the weight consumed from load port to discharge port is 667. Okay. Take out this first. So from load port to discharge port is consumption is 6467, okay? And the TPC of departure drop at load port is 6395. So I put here 6395. So 467 divided by 6395, that will be 7.30 centimeters divided by 100, that will be 0.073 meters. Okay, that will be in meters. Now, I put here the this will be the departure drop. Okay. This will be your departure drop at load port of 12.57 minus your sinkage of 0.07, and this will be arrival drop at discharge port, which is, it says here, your arrival at discharge port is 12.50. Okay, so this is what I computed. So since you have already know your departure drop at loading port, which is 12.57, which is the mean, minus this is your rise. Okay, this is not sinkage, this should be rise. Okay, rise. Because the vessel will float or rise, it will rise because you're already consuming of 467 metric tons. So when you consume fuel oil, the tendency of the vessel is to rise. Okay, That's why you subtract this one and your departure drop at discharge port will be 12.5. So, as it says in the problem here. So that is your arrival at discharge port of 12.5. Okay? So, what you do, you put here your arrival drop of 12.5. Okay? Take note, your rise will be 0.07. I put here negative because from this drop, from your departure drop at load port, when the vessel is going to consume of 467, the tendency of the vessel is to rise until you arrive in discharge port of your arrival drop of 12.5, which is this one. Okay? 12.5. Okay? Then back to the program. Now, what this will confirm that you will consume of 467 by the formula, by this formula of rise equals weight over divide by TPC divide 100. Okay? Okay, for example, what is your weight? Is 467, put here equals 467 divide with your TPC of this one. Okay, you divide by 100 with this formula and you press enter, your rise is 0.73. Okay, or the same, that will be your rise, or this one. Okay, so the value that the sinkage will be 0.07. Okay, just take this out. This is also the same formula with this one. Okay, this is the let's say your weight is 467. Okay, say 467, 467, 467. Your TPC is 6395, 63395. Then you press enter. Then you will have 0.073. Okay, it's negative because it's rise. Then, since you have already this rise, what will be the amount to be consumed from load port to discharge port? The formula is uh, rise times TVC times 100. So what is your rise? Is K8, K in 8, okay? And times M3, your TPC is M, this letter M, and 3, which is 639.5, which is the interpolation of your arrival drop in discharge port. With 12.5, you interpolate the TPC and you will get 6395. That's why I use M3. Okay? I forget this one. No, that will be number 12.57. Okay? Let's. I think there's something wrong with this. I go to the. Sorry. Double check this one. This is for number 6. You put it equals. Then you go to form 6. I'm sorry. Okay. Again. We go to the hydrostatic table. Excuse me. Hydrostatic table equals. Put equals here. We go to your mean drop of this one. This is your mean drop. And press enter. And your TPC should be 6399. Okay. That will be 6399. And your, okay, 6399. Put this to 6399. Okay. 99. You will still get negative 0.772. Negative 0.0729. Okay. Again. This is to confirm that your consumption is 467 with this figure. Okay. How did I get this figure is, okay, is your sinkage of 0.07 negative times M3, which is your TPC, M3 TPC of your 12.5 arrival in discharge port times 100, okay? And the value will be negative 6447, 466.8, okay? Which is almost 467 if you run off. So this is just to confirm that this is correct. The consumption is 467 of the consumption. Now, we just follow this formula, okay? What happens if you consume of 467, okay? So this is 467, you put 467, enter. That will be, you put negative, okay? Because you're consuming, consume, negative, then you will get the exact drop. When you consume 467 metric tons, your mid drop arrival in this port will be 12.5, the same, and your rise is 0.07.3, which is negative, which is almost the same here, 07.073, okay? Okay. So this is confirmed now that this is the consumption of 467 is correct, that we are to consume from load port to discharge port, and your arrival at discharge port will be 12.50, okay? Now, for example, we want to, instead of using bunkers, fuel oil, lube oil, fresh water, we will try to use the cargo, okay? So in cargo, you go to trim holes 2, okay? You go to trim holes 2 and take note of the remaining cargo or the weight, which is negative 467, and this is your initial drop or your departure at loading port, okay? This will be your main drop also. This will be your TPC, LCF, and TC. For example, you want to discharge in 1 and 7 to arrive of 12.5 at discharge port, okay? So you say 1 and 7, and you want to arrive at discharge port of even keel. So you put no trim, that will be 0, okay? And how much would you discharge in hold number 1? He says you discharge in hold number 1 of 203. So round it up. You put here 203 negative 203 because you're going to discharge cargo. And number 7, you're going to discharge 264 of weight of your cargo, 264, okay? And your arrival in discharge port will be, for example, 12.5 forward, 12.5 up, trim 0, and 12.5 min. And this formula or this program, which is how to find trim when handling several moderate weights. This is your departure in your load port, and this will be your arrival. So in number, take note, in number 1, you discharge 203, you have 203 here, and you put the LCG, and number 7 is 264, then you put the LCG, and your arrival at discharge port will be forward 12.5, updraft with 12.5, no trim, and min is 12.5. Okay, then you have here 0 deflection because the mid drop, and min drop are the same. How did I get this min drop? You put this equals, okay? Then you go up. This will be your min drop because you already discharged 467. This will be your min drop. Click this one. I'm sorry. That one and enter. Then you will have your min drop. Okay? And your min drop equals, this will be your min drop, enter, and this exactly, deflection is 0, 0, okay? This is how good this program is, okay? This will show you how this program works. And trim holds 2, okay, this is your cargo to be discharged in hold 1 and 7. We have already going to discharge number 1 of negative 203 and number 7 is negative 264, which is this one, okay? Upon discharging this 1 and 7, then your forward drop will be 12.5, up drop will be 12.5, 0 trim, and min is 12, 0, and here almost 0, almost the same. Deflection is 0, okay? Again, how did I get this mid drop? You put equals, I press equals, then you go to form 6, you go up, and click this one. Enter, this one, and your min, press equals, then this is your min, enter, and so you have a 0 deflection. Then we go to the trim table. Take note, trim table is you have to discharge of 467. In the number 1, you have to discharge 203. Number 7, you're going to discharge 264. In your hydrostatic table, look for the forward correction of hold number 1, which is, I put here 60, up is negative 30, and 7 is negative 19, and up is 5. That is in meters, and your departure, arrival drop, load port, discharge port is even keel of 12.5, and your deflection is almost 0. Okay? This is the reverse. Instead of you have to discharge first in number 1, so that you will have a good trim. But this is discharge. If you are going to load, you should load in number 7, so you will have a good trim. Then you load in number 1. But this one is the reverse, because you are going to discharge. That's why I never changed the sequence of the loading. But anyway, if you are going to discharge in hold number 7 of 264, which is the same here, the same correction forward and up. Number 7 is 1.9 negative and 5 meters here. After you completed load discharge in number 7, you discharge in number 2, and the weight is 203, which is the same here. Forward correction is 6, you have the same here, 6. Nav correction is negative 3, negative 3. Okay? So this is the initial drop of 12.57 in the load port. After discharge 264 at hold number 7, this will be your initial drop of 12.62 forward, 12.44 up. You are trimmed by the head. Then you discharge in hold number 1 of 203 metric tons. Upon completion of discharge of 203, your main drop, your forward drop will be 12.5, up drop will 12.5, you have 0 trim, and main drop is 12.2, and your deflection is 0. Okay? So we have 3 programs. Form number 6, trim 2 holds, and this is a trim table. Okay? Then the last one is the, what you call the, how to find drop and trim when handling weights involving large changes in main drop. Remember, the program, the vessel is floating in seawater, okay? So, also in dispatcher in loading port, also seawater. Okay, you go to the program. So, 12.5, this is your arrival in discharge port. What we 1.025, 12.5 here, forward and up is 12.5. Okay, we just put this 12.57. This will be 12.573. This will be 12.573. This is your departure from load port. And you discharge in number 1. How much you discharge in number 1? Negative 203. You put negative 203 because you're going to discharge. And number 7 is negative 264. So discharge negative 264. Okay? And your final density in arrival at discharge port will be 1.025. 1.025 your final density, and your arrival drop of discharge port will be exactly 12.5 forward, up is 12.5, main drop is 12.5, and you have a 0 trim. So do you have 4 programs. This is form number 7, which is how to find drop and trim when handling weights involving large changes in main drop. Then you have your trim table. Okay. Your trim table and your arrival drop at discharge port is even keel of 12.5, made 12.5, and 0 trim. And you have 0 deflection. That's number 2. And number 3, trim 2 holds, trimming cargo. This is your cargo to discharge. This is your trimming hold. And your arrival at discharge port forward is 12.5, up is 12.5. 0 trim, main drop is 12.5, and you have 0 deflection. And now lastly, the number 4, which is form number 6, which is how to find when handling several moderate weights. Okay, here you discharge number 1 of 203, number 7 of 264, and your arrival drop at discharge port will be 12.5, forward up will be 12.5, and your trim will be 0.1, 0 trim. Your main is 12.5, and you have a 0 deflection. Exactly the same here. So this program is only for double checking if your answer is correct. But the solution manually is this one. Okay. This is the first solution. This is the second solution. Okay. but you want to prove it by your program or by the program, you have 4 means of counter checking it. Okay? By form number 6, trim holds 2, by trim table, and form number 7 of involving large changes of mean drop. And your drop is even keel of 12.5 and 0 trim. That's it, guys. I hope you like this video presentation, and if you like, please click the like button, share, and subscribe. And please don't forget to click the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Have a good night.